If Photoshop is giving you the error that a file is not a PNG file, don't worry. This usually means the file is damaged, incomplete, or simply being recognized in the wrong format. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Photoshop error not a PNG file step by step, using a few simple methods that can help you recover the image and get it working again. This is especially useful if your file was downloaded from the internet, sent through WhatsApp, or renamed manually, and the format got messed up along the way. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes and easy guides. Let's jump right in. First, let's talk about the most common reason this happens. If you downloaded the file from the internet, it may have been incomplete or corrupted during the download. If it was sent through WhatsApp, the image may have been compressed or damaged. And if you renamed the file manually and changed the extension to PNG, Photoshop may read it incorrectly because the file is not actually a true PNG file. So before you do anything else, always check the file source. If possible, re-download the image or ask the sender to send it again in the original format. That alone can solve the issue in many cases. Now let's move on to the first real fix. Try opening the file in another app. This is a very effective way to test whether the file is actually readable. On Windows, open the file with Windows Photos first. If that doesn't work, try opening it in Paint. You can also drag the file directly into a browser like Chrome and see whether it displays properly. If the image opens in any of these apps, that's a great sign because it means the file is still usable. Once it opens, you can resave it as a proper PNG. In Paint, for example, click File, then Save As, and choose PNG Picture. This creates a fresh PNG file that Photoshop is much more likely to accept. If you are using Photos or the browser, you can also use a different editor to export it again as a clean PNG. The goal here is to rebuild the file so Photoshop sees a valid image structure instead of a broken one. If the file still will not open in those apps, don't panic because there is another excellent option. The second method is to use Photopea, which is a free browser-based editor and one of the best tools for recovering broken image files. Go to Photopea in your browser and upload the image. If Photopea opens the file, then you're in luck because it can often read files that Photoshop refuses to open. Once the image is loaded, click File, then Export As, and choose PNG. This creates a new clean copy of the image that you can then open in Photoshop without the error. This method is especially helpful if the file was damaged during transfer or if the original file extension doesn't match the actual file contents. Now, if none of these methods work, the file may be too corrupted to recover, which means you will need to get a new copy from the original source. But in most cases, one of these fixes will solve the problem quickly. So to recap, if Photoshop says not a PNG file, first check whether the file was downloaded incompletely, sent through WhatsApp, or renamed incorrectly. Then try opening it in another app like Windows Photos, Paint, or Chrome and resave it as PNG. If that still doesn't work, use Photopea to open the file and export it as a fresh PNG. These steps are simple, free, and very effective. If this video helped you fix the issue, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and share it with someone else who's stuck on the same Photoshop error. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.